Hi, I'm Nadia Shake, and this is a school community for beginner creatives who are ready to stop waiting for permission and start getting paid to teach what they know. Inside this community, I'll show you how to turn your creative skills into workshops that community-based organizations actually want to book, even if you've never taught before, even if you don't know what to teach, even if this is your first time doing this, and even if you've done this before, but there may be some cool tips, tricks, and little known things that may actually amplify your workshops so you can actually get booked more often. You'll get tools, templates, and real case studies, plus support from cool storytellers on the same path. Whether you're a poet, an artist, a dancer, a photographer, or a DIY hobbyist, you've got something to offer. So go ahead and introduce yourself in the welcome thread. Check out the first lesson in the classroom, and I will see you in the classroom. So get ready to go from I don't know where to start to getting booked and delivering value. And remember, I like to say that the starving artist is a myth and you can act like a fed artist just like me. And so in this school community, I want to be that bridge and guide you to where you're lost and unsure to where you have the confidence to pitch your workshops. All right, see you inside.